Ever wondered how credit cards work and how they can be beneficial? Well, let's dive right in. Credit cards, those magical pieces of plastic, are a form of payment where the money you spend isn't immediately deducted from your bank account. Instead, you're borrowing the money from a credit card company. It's like having a mini loan every time you swipe or click purchase. But hold up, it's not just about spending money you don't have. Credit cards can also come with a host of benefits. Think rewards, cashback, and even travel perks. Like a loyal friend, they can be there to help you out in a pinch or to let you splurge on that shiny new gadget you've been eyeing. So, are credit cards a superhero or a villain in your financial story? Well, that's up to you. It's all about how you wield this financial tool. Stick around as we delve into the world of credit cards. So how does this little piece of plastic work, you may wonder? Well, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's dive in. A credit card, in essence, offers you a line of credit. It's like having a mini loan you can access anytime, anywhere. The bank or financial institution that issues your credit card has agreed to lend you a certain amount of money, and you can borrow against that amount as you wish. This is called your credit limit. When you swipe your card at the grocery store or enter its details online to buy that limited edition vinyl record, you're borrowing money from the bank. You're saying, "Bank, I'll pay for this later. Can you cover it for now?" And the bank, like a supportive friend, says, "Sure, pay me back when you can." But remember, banks are not just your friends, they're businesses. They provide this service because they make money from it, and this comes in the form of interest. Think of interest as a fee for borrowing the bank's money. If you pay back the money you borrowed within your credit card's grace period, usually around 20 to 30 days, you won't owe any interest. But if you don't, the bank will start charging you interest on your remaining balance. The longer you take to repay, the more interest you'll owe. This interest rate, often expressed as an annual percentage rate or APR, can vary widely from card to card. It's one of the most important things to consider when choosing a credit card. It's also worth noting that credit cards come with a minimum payment requirement. This is the least amount you need to pay back each month. But remember, paying only the minimum means you'll be charged interest on the remaining balance. And there you have it, the mechanics of credit cards. It's like having a flexible loan in your pocket, but with a catch. The catch being the potential interest you might owe if you're not careful. Now that you know how they work, let's explore why they can be beneficial. Imagine earning while you spend. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's one of the many benefits that credit cards bring to the table. Let's dive into some of these perks that could make your financial life a little more exciting and rewarding. First up, we have cashbacks and rewards. Many credit cards offer a percentage of your purchases back as cash rewards. This could be anywhere from 1 to 5% depending on the card and the category of purchase. Picture this, you're out shopping for a new pair of kicks, and voila! You're not just spending, you're earning too. Next, let's talk about building credit history. When used responsibly, credit cards can help you establish a solid credit history, which can be beneficial in various ways. It can make it easier for you to get approved for loans or mortgages in the future. It's like leaving a trail of financial breadcrumbs that says, "Hey, I'm reliable and I pay my bills on time." Now, on to the third benefit, purchase protection. Most credit cards offer some form of purchase protection that can help you when things go wrong. For instance, if that shiny new gadget you bought online turns out to be a dud, your credit card company may have your back. They can help you get your money back, making sure you're not left out in the cold. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. With a credit card, you don't have to worry about carrying around a wad of cash. Whether you're dining out or shopping online, a credit card offers a quick, easy, and secure way to pay. But here's a little caveat before we wrap up. While credit cards do offer these amazing benefits, they're not a magic money tree. They're a financial tool that needs to be used wisely. You need to make sure you're paying your bills on time and not spending more than you can afford. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't let the allure of rewards and convenience lead you into a debt trap. Use your credit card sensibly, and it can be your ally in your financial journey. Let's take a quick tour of the top players in the credit card world. First stop, we have Visa. Visa's worldwide recognition makes it a top choice for many, with their cards being accepted in more than 200 countries. They offer a variety of cards, each tailored to meet different financial needs and lifestyles. From cashback cards for the savvy shopper, to travel cards for the globetrotter, Visa has got you covered. Next up, we have MasterCard. MasterCard is another giant in the credit card industry, offering a wide array of options for consumers and businesses alike. They have a diverse portfolio ranging from prepaid cards for those who want to control their spending, to premium cards offering exclusive benefits and rewards. MasterCard's global reach is also impressive, being accepted in more than 210 countries. And let's not forget about American Express. Often referred to as Amex, this company is known for its exemplary customer service and robust rewards program. Their cards might come with a higher annual fee, but the perks they offer, like access to airport lounges and hefty cashback percentages, can make it worth your while. Now, it's important to remember that the best credit card company isn't necessarily the one with the most advertisements or the flashiest benefits. It's the one that best fits your specific needs and spending habits. Are you a frequent flyer? A card with travel rewards might be your best bet. Or maybe you're a student looking to build credit. There are cards designed just for you. In the end, it's all about finding the card that aligns with your financial goals. So take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to shop around. After all, in the credit card world, you're the customer, and that gives you the power to choose. Choosing the right card can make a world of difference. So, you're ready to get a credit card. But, what should you look for? Before you dive into the credit card pool, there are a few things to consider. Let's break it down. First, cast an eye over the interest rates. Also known as the annual percentage rate or APR, this is the cost you'll pay for borrowing money if you don't pay off your balance in full each month. Some cards offer low introductory rates that can skyrocket later, so be sure to read the fine print. Next, let's talk fees. Some cards charge annual fees, late payment fees, cash advance fees, and more. While an annual fee may be worth it for a card with fantastic rewards, it's worth weighing up whether the benefits outweigh the costs. Now, on to the credit limit. This is the maximum amount of money you can charge to your card. It's crucial to consider your spending habits and income. If you're the kind of person who likes to splash out on the latest tech gadget or a spontaneous weekend getaway, you'll want a card with a higher limit. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Speaking of rewards, they're the cherry on top of the credit card sundae. Rewards can be airline miles, cashback, or points redeemable for merchandise. If you're a frequent flyer, a card that offers travel rewards could be your ticket to a free vacation. Or if you're more into retail therapy, a card that offers cashback on purchases might be more up your alley. Finally, don't forget about the grace period. This is the period between the end of your billing cycle and the due date for your payment. The longer the grace period, the longer you have to pay off your balance without incurring interest. Remember, the best card for you depends on your lifestyle and spending habits. So take the time to do your homework, compare offers, and choose wisely. And that, folks, is a brief tour of the credit card universe. It's a world full of opportunities, but also a realm where caution is key. When used wisely, credit cards can be powerful tools for building your financial future. They can help you manage your cash flow, earn rewards, and even boost your credit score. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's like being a superhero in the financial world. You've got your superpower, the credit card, but you need to use it for good, not evil. That means paying your bills on time, avoiding unnecessary debt, and always keeping an eye on your spending. So whether you're a seasoned cardholder or a newbie to the game, remember that knowledge is your greatest ally. Stay informed, stay alert, and make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become part of our community. Until next time, stay smart and keep swiping responsibly.